Good afternoon, students. How are you all? So this video is about expansion of algebraic expressions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can expand an algebraic expression. So the first expression that we have is 6 bracket open x plus 2y. Now, expansion of algebraic expression simply means that we take this number that is outside the bracket and we solve it with the expression inside the bracket. So now, as I have told you before, that when a number is outside a bracket and there is no sign between the number and the bracket, it means that this number is multiplying with the expression inside the bracket. So we are going to multiply the 6 with x and then with 2y. Here's how. 6 multiplied by x is, since x has no number but x has 1. So basically we are going to multiply the number outside the bracket with the coefficient of the variable. Like here 2 is the coefficient of y. So we can easily multiply 6 and 2. But since you cannot see any number here, but there is still a number and that is 1. So 6 ones are 6 and x. It's 6x. Now plus sign. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. It's 12y. See, that's easy. Now the next number that we have is 3 multiplied by 6x plus 10y. So what we are going to do? Exactly. We are going to multiply this 3 with 6x first and then with 10y. So 3 multiplied by 6 is 18 and x. The variable comes with the number once we are done multiplying. Now plus sign. 3 multiplied by 10 is 30y. Alright. Now this expression is a bit tricky. What you say, you can see that like it's from a bit advanced level. So we focus it. Yes. So we have 2x multiplied by 4x plus 7y. Now what we are going to do is, first this 2x will multiply with this 4x and then it will multiply with this 7x. Okay, so let us open it. Let us do it in a bit of a simpler way. Equals 2x multiplies, this dot is a sign for multiplication, multiply by 4x and then we have plus sign, then 2x multiplied by 7y. Now here what do we have? We have the coefficients 2 and 4. They will multiply together. 2 multiplied by 4 is how much? 8. And then we have the variables over here. The variables multiply with each other. Now since there are 2x, when the same variable multiplies with each other like twice or as many times, for example, I'll show you over here. X multiplied by x. Now x is multiplying twice. When we multiply a similar thing more than once, the power of that number or that variable increases. So what is the power or the exponent? The number over here on the variable or number is called the power. For example, there is no power you can see over here over x, but still there is power of 1 over here. Alright, so when we multiply the same variable twice, so same variable, their powers will add. So we write the variable once and then we add the powers, that is 1 plus 1, it becomes x square. For example, if I have x square multiplied by x cube, this is 3, okay? So we have x multiplied by x square multiplied by x cube. We will write x once and then we can add these two powers. That is 2 plus 3. So x has the power of 5. Alright? So now what we're going to do is, since we have x multiplying with x, the power over both the x's is 1. So we will write x once and we will increase its power over here. Alright. So now what happens? Here we have plus 2x multiplied by 7y. Now 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. And x multiplied by y will be xy. Alright. I hope it's clear. Let us go to one more example. Okay, we have x square multiplied by x raised to power 4 minus 12z. Alright, so here x square multiplied by x raised to power 4 minus x square multiplied by 12z. So here we have x, the same variable multiplying. X, we will write the variable once and then we can add the powers over here. And then we have minus x square into 12z. Now there is no coefficient with x, but there is a coefficient with z. So we will there is a coefficient with x, that is 1, but we do not need to write that. Alright, so we can multiply this 1 with this 12. 12 ones are 12. And x square multiplied by z, definitely there will be nothing. We will just write x square z. And now here, let us finish this one. X, since 2 plus 4 is 6, minus 12x square z. So this is our final expression. I hope you understood it clearly. Thank you.